I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello and welcome to Let's Google It, everyone. What's on your menu today? Whether you're grilling steak, chicken, ribs, stewing, roasting, so you're missing that tasty, full of flavor side rice to go with it. Let's begin washing the rice very well and rinse, and we're gonna transfer it into the bowl. And I'm going to add vegetable broth, and we're gonna let it soak for 45 minutes. The rice has been soaked for 45 minutes. Now it's time to start chopping the vegetable. I have here a leek, so I'm going to use only the white part, and the other one I'm gonna keep it for the homemade vegetable stock. So leek, we're gonna slice in half and just slice. So garlic smash and chop. A regular white onion. Fine diced. And I'm gonna chop some red pepper. Small dice as well. All vegetables pre-washed. Shredded carrot. Perfect, that should do. Now heat on a medium-low. A good quality olive oil. Leek, onion, garlic in. Make sure on a medium-low or a low heat, depends on the stove you're using. We're going to sweat the onion and garlic, and will take about 7 to 8 minutes. As soon as the onion becomes translucent, we're going to add red peppers and the carrot, fresh thyme. Actually, I have some ready here. So fresh thyme. And let's saute everything for another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the rice. The rice was soaked in the vegetable broth for 45 minutes. Chicken broth powder or chicken base. A little bit of pepper. Now let's mix very well, and I'm gonna add some of the butter, and the measurement and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Cover and let it start boiling first. As soon as it starts boiling, reduce your heat to medium-low, between medium-low and low. And I didn't add much salt because the chicken base powder, it's salty. Now half of lemon zest. Mix again. It smells so good already. And let it simmer for 12 to 15 minutes. Took 15 minutes exactly, and you can see here this little volcanoes erupting. Now with the spoon, dig in, move a little bit. If you don't see any water in the bottom like this one, just turn off and don't mix it at all. Turn off, cover, and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before you serve. After 10 minutes resting, try not to use a big spoon to mix it. Either chopstick or a fork. Yum! Look at this beautiful color. So with the fork, start with the top, or with the chopstick, get them loose first so you don't smush them. Now you can use a big spoon for serving. You can top it with some green onion, and my favorite is to eat it with the plain yogurt. So we just put 1 spoon of plain yogurt on top. Let me be generous. That's my favorite. Oh my God. Wow. It's so rich, tasty, full of flavor. Now you go ahead, eat it your way, and we'll see you next time. Take care.